Generative AI isn't limited to text. It's revolutionizing the creation of images, video, and other multimedia content. This is a rapidly evolving area, democratizing digital art and design. While GANs were pioneers in image generation, a newer family of models, diffusion models, has taken the lead in producing incredibly high quality and diverse images. Models like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion are all based on this concept. How do diffusion models work? Imagine taking a clean image and gradually adding random noise to it until it's just pure static. The diffusion model is trained to reverse this process. Given a noisy image, it learns to iteratively remove the noise step by step until a clear, high-quality image emerges. This denoising process is guided by text prompts. So you provide a text prompt like a futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style. And the model starts with random noise, then guided by its understanding of the prompt and its learned ability to denoise, it gradually transforms the noise into an image that matches your description, adding details and refining features over many steps. These models are incredibly versatile. They can generate images from scratch, in-paint, fill in missing parts of an image, out-paint, extend an image beyond its original borders, image-to-image translation, transform an image based on a prompt, like turn a sketch into a photorealistic drawing. Beyond static images, generative AI is also making strides in video generation. While more computationally intensive, models are now capable of generating short video clips from text prompts, or even animating still images. This has huge implications for content creation, filmmaking, and animation. Furthermore, generative AI is being used for audio generation, music, voice cloning, and sound effects, and even 3D model generation, creating virtual objects and environments from simple text descriptions. This pushes the boundaries of what's possible in virtual reality, gaming, and industrial design. The creative possibilities unlocked by these multimedia generative models are staggering, empowering artists, designers, and marketers to produce high-quality content rapidly and efficiently. It's truly a new era for digital creativity. Now, let's explore broader applications of generative AI.